Today I'm going to show you how to add fringe to a crochet project. And what we're going to do to start out is first decide how long you want your fringe to be. And then you're going to take a piece of yarn that is twice that and a little more. So if I want my fringe to be about this long, which is about 5 inches, I'm going to double that length plus a little more. And then I have a long strand of yarn. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off a bunch of strings of this same size. So usually you could measure out with a ruler, but what I like to do is just kind of fold it over on itself until I get multiples of the same length. Not the most exact way to do it, but usually we're going to trim up our fringe at the end, so I don't really need it to be exact, but you can use a more exact method with a ruler if you want. You're going to have to excuse my curly Q yarn. I just started a new skein of yarn and it came out a little wonky out of the center. But that is another thing with fringe. You can always straighten it out with a steamer at the end. So what I have here now is 4 strands of yarn that are about the same length. And I'm going to come to my project, and you can do it from the back or the front. If you're coming from my written instructions on my blog, I do it from the back with the wrong side facing you. Today I'm going to do it with the right side facing. So what you want to do is find your spot where you would like your fringe to be. I try to not go on the very edge because that will kind of make the fringe bump out a little and it won't line up straight. So I tend to go in a tiny bit. Pick a spot and you're going to insert your hook from the back and underneath the bottom edge up. You're going to fold your yarn in your hand so that it is in half and you are pinching the center, that halfway point, and you're going to hook on to that halfway point with your hook. Grab all of that and pull it through. Now you're going to take this loop that you've now created and put all the rest of the yarn down through that. And then you're going to gently tug and use your other hand to get it exactly the right tension there. And there is your fringe. And you're going to keep doing that all along, evenly spaced. You can do it all along this way, or if you want to really make sure you get it even, you can do it on either side, then one in the middle, then one in the middle of those. Kind of whatever you think will work best for you. I'm going to show you this one more time. So I want my yarn about this long, so I'm going to double that with a little more, and then I'm going to make sure that I have 2, 3, 4 strands, the same length. You're going to find the center of that yarn, pick your spot, go in from behind with this is if the right side is facing you. You're going to go in from underneath and behind, grab the center of your yarn, pull it through, let go with your hook, use your fingers to pull the tails through. Pull that nice and snug. And that is all there is to it. You're just going to keep evenly spacing these across, and then what I would do next is straighten out my ends here with a steamer and then clip evenly across however long I want the fringe, and that is all there is to it. Maybe I'll do another video on how to use a steamer and straighten out your ends. Maybe that'll be next on my list. But hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to follow my channel for more crochet tips and patterns.